And welcome back. Exciting update on the Galthor's Outdoors. Long story short, this thing was in hilarious disrepair to the point that it can't even survive a Southern California winter, which means that it rains really hard for like 5 days. We have a whole tarp up on the roof. I'm gonna show you what's going on up there in a minute, but this is what's happened on the inside. Obviously we didn't tape the very beginning of this because it was just a crime scene in here and we had to fix up what we could immediately. Proceeds to put my face under this! Ah! Love it! Hello, spider. I get what I deserve. Scooting the noose to the caboose, you know what I'm saying? This water got under the tarp, and it's incredible. I'm gonna start yanking some of this shit. This has been rained on more than once. Back here seems better.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Shavings. These are aluminum shavings.
Ugh.
They just miss some fucking insulation. Look at this.
This was my theory. Do you remember?
Oh, that there was just spots with no insulation?
Yeah, and this isn't even good insulation. How many? Maybe an inch. I know it's been compressed a little, but Jesus Christ.
Still, and I'm surprised there's actually a plywood substrate. This beam is soaked to the core, because this one kept getting fucking soaked on for the past 40 fucking years. I can't wait to replace that.
Oh!
Got a juicy bitch right here.
Oh!
Oh. Keep your mouth closed.
Oh! The slime! The slime!
I think it's just Wawa.
I saw something viscous. Ooh.
No better day than today. Just so you guys don't think we're gluttons for punishment, even though we are, because we took on this project. The idea is that, you know, if we don't yank this shit out right now, fuck, it's just gonna stay wet and get really, really gross instead of just normally gross. Okay, check it out.
Oh, God.
So there is just aluminum right here, but just on the other side of this beam, there's plywood backing, because I bet this is the backing for the air conditioning unit right here. So they put plywood backing for just the air conditioning unit.
And fuck the rest of it.
And fuck the rest of it. The only thing that's gonna block that is that little hose down of liquid roof that they put on top that like always wears out in like 3 years. Wow.
Maybe we should turn the fan off?
Don't breathe this?
Yeah, don't breathe this.
All right, kids at home, don't breathe. Hold on. Don't breathe this. Should I just like get my knife and hack this out or
Yes.
something?
Yeah, definitely. And keep your gloves on, good lord.
We found the Bushido blade here, the Tweeko blade. Who wants to go to sleep tonight?
Sleep over in Tioga.
On my mattress.
Grab your beanbags.
You know, like this is when your friend hands you the shitty controller when you guys play games. Here. Good God. It's gross. It's gross. You know what that is? Fucking gross. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, what is it?
Wet bitch.
See?
Yeah, it has a goopy
I'm
texture
telling you.
coming off of the. It looks goopy.
And there's another gap.
Careful, I got my knife out here.
That's okay. That's just how I'm meant to go, baby.
I'm not trying to gut you. Not like this.
It's time to stop!
wet bitch.
Alright, we call this Galthor's Outdoors filler because we're gonna fill her up while we're trying to fill up an episode. Welcome, 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 you gotta work, you gotta work. Welcome, 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 you gotta work, you gotta work.
Put that in your mouth.
Fuck.
Barely legal got wet. Mount Fuckmore.
This is a trash mountain. There are many like it, but this one is mine. Exposition. Hooray. We're gonna move some trash. The moment I get up, she's gonna get all riled up. There it is. Oh yeah. These were the cabinet front faces. Yeah, you see that nice sea green. Watch as the free-range Swiffer romps about the yard, investigating the corners of the grass and the pile of refuse left by the two millennials.
What?
She notices a predator. She's defending her trash floor.
Lady.